fishing, and I'm gonna be doing kind of like a daily vlog. So if you wanna watch it, then keep. Alright guys, so we just got to the park. Woo! So we're gonna go fishing. So right now we're looking for bait.
Here's the worms. Yummy.
Bite them. There's the water.
That's good.
Something's gonna.
All right, come on. Hand me the thing.
Did you get anything?
Doubt it.
Are you joking?
Don't be so naive.
So we've been here for about, how long, an hour? An hour, 30 minutes?
Yep.
And we haven't caught anything yet.
Got a couple bites.
We've gotten bites and fish have been taking our worms, so we haven't got anything yet. Like a pro. Oh my god, I'm not even videotaping.
Here, we use your phone.
Alright guys, so there's a snake right there. And I was just over there because I wanted to get that bobber right there. And there's a huge freaking snake. Oh my god, I could have gotten bit. Look at the moon. If you're still watching this video, comment grass shrimp. You want to tell them why? Devin!
It wasn't me, it was the fish.
Oh! Knocked it down.
It was this fish. You know what walk around it?
That's not funny, kid. Take my job seriously. Look at the moon, it's still coming up. Oh! Show us how it's done, Debbie.
There's nothing.
Oh, that was very smooth. Smooth like my butt. Oh, I think something's biting me.
Yep. Bro, my bait's right there.
Level 1 of denial. Oh my god, did you actually get something? Kinda seen a ploop ploop. Hashtag grass shrimp.
No, there's nothing there. I mean, there was something there, but it didn't get in it.
Update on the snake. The snake is now gone and we don't know where it went. Can we make a song out of that? Buy our mixtape. Hashtag grass shrimp. Alright guys, I know it's a little bit of dark and fuzzy, but we're gonna try fishing over here. This is the other side. The dock is over there behind those trees. So we're gonna try over here before we leave. I got that. Is that how you know where the fish are? So real quick before I have to go to work, I just wanted to say thank you for everyone who's been supporting my videos and subscribing to my channel. It seriously means so much to me. And I just wanted to say thank you for hitting 1,000 views on my last dumpster diving video. It's amazing and I cannot believe we actually got that many views on it. So I just wanted to thank you guys for watching my videos and all of the support. Alright guys, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and comment if you like these type of videos better. I thought it would be fun and a little bit different, and it's also a good way to look back on memories that I've had with my brother. So make sure to give this a thumbs up. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. And remember that you guys are beautiful and I love you guys.